Love and peace. What's up, y'all? It's Danielle. We're talking about tech, coding, coding tutorials, vlogging, blogging, and self-development books. So make sure you subscribe and like. And today's topic is template engines. So I've been working with template engines on the back end with Node.js and JavaScript, of course. And I've come to find that I'm seeing a lot of similarities between this and PHP. I was working with PHP earlier this year and making dynamic web apps, using things like header files and footer files and things like that. And, and seeing how it all comes together with minimal repeated code, which is obviously infinitely easier to maintain. So now I'm seeing the similarities between that and template engines on the back end, with JavaScript and Node.js. And, now that I think about it, they are both server-side languages. PHP being a server-side language and JavaScript with Node.js, it has those server-side capabilities. So I'm definitely making the connections and seeing the similarities between the two. And with JavaScript basically doing those same things, plus with JavaScript, it's able to do it with, basically good old client-side vanilla JavaScript. So that's awesome. And that's it for now. So again, subscribe, like, get more tech, programming tutorials, vlogs, blogs, self-development books. And that's it for now. Talk to you later. Love and peace.